Imagine standing at the Aletsch Glacier, wondering what it will look like in 30 or 50 years. This can now be answered on site with GlaciAR through augmented reality. What if you could see into the future right now? GlaciAR uses GPS data to position you at the glacier in the augmented reality scene. This allows you to admire the glacier from the correct perspective, regardless of where you are near the glacier. With GlaciAR, you can experience the future of glaciers up close and better understand the impacts of climate change. But the app can also be used independently of your location. While not on the glacier, the app simulates your GPS coordinates. GlaciAR. Explore glaciers like never before.